whenever I go, I lean the bike over and I look at this little sight glass right here.
Right.
And right now there's no oil in it. So when you lean it over up straight.
Right. My Suzuki had a sight glass. I fucking hated it. I couldn't fucking get my head over far enough to really read it, so I'd have to take a mirror and I'd fucking
But as long as I see it roll up on that when I lean it over, with the little line come up,
it's got oil.
try to fix all those little leaks, and it probably just needs to the oil, change the oil, you know. And then of course this all weeps down, you know, all this shit weeps down through there, you know. And like I say, if they ain't leaking, there ain't no oil in them, right?
Yeah, it's actually oiling everything down.
So I told that guy, I forget his name, it's a Circle K. I said, yeah, you know these guys that got these really nice shiny bikes? They're all fucking pussy perfect. The windshield don't have no bugs on it or nothing.
There's nothing wrong.
I go, they never fucking go ride them. They sit in the garage and they fucking polish that shit. Not everybody. Yeah, not everybody. But a lot of people do. Yeah. And a lot of them don't live down fucking nasty dirt roads either.
Yeah, that is a deterrent. Take it home, clean it up, and you got to drive out. Or take it to the car wash and wash it, you got to drive back.
Yeah. Or even just cruising around, like right here, getting off the road. Look at my chain.
Well, I went to your house. You ever oil that?
It's O-ring.
You don't oil it?
It's got O-rings. You don't oil the O-ring ones. They roll on there. It's not like the old days of the greasy old bike chain with the WD-40. You know what I mean?
I have no idea.
Yeah, they have O-rings between all the little roller things. They move. It's my understanding there's O-rings between there and there. And those little rolling there.
Well, you know, it really doesn't matter because there's quite a bit of oil.
It probably needs to be adjusted.
It looks tight. No, it ain't tight.
So you can see the thing right here.
Got a roller?
It's got a want to know a wear guide.
Oh, yeah. Well, that's for when you let off the slack.
The chain is definitely different because there's a little lag, you know, in the. You gotta sort of get it just right.
Somebody probably ought to tighten it about
I did that and I didn't like it.
half of what it is.
I put it right here. It's been there for a long time and it fucking. I tightened it up and it started making some really funky noises in the, you know, the chain going around the thing. And I said, here, stop. No, put it back.
Well, you can go online and find out how much the chain is supposed to raise.
Sit on it, you know, put it down.
Right, it tightens it too. Tightens it.
But this has been a really good bike to me, really. I have ridden this thing for, I think I bought it with 12,000 miles on it. I put about, whatever, 13,000 miles on it. All I've really had is a car, but it's just no time.
Yeah, you don't ride anywhere, so you don't have 8 miles on it.
I was talking to my kid about that. I go, yeah, Wrongway likes to do those, get on the highway and go for 10 days. I go, I like to just go down to town and get a gallon of milk and come back home.
Yeah, you're a grocery getter.
Yeah, that's what this one is. This is the just go get shit bike. Now I really want to put some dough into the Harley and make it really roadworthy so I can fucking, you know, get on the highway and bug. Without it, I mean, it's puking so much oil, I got
It'd be cool to put a new motor. A modern motor. I don't know if it would fit.
And the last of the Evos is what you want.
The That's what they say, yeah.
That's what they say. That's the last of the Evo. They made them up to 99, and it's a 98. It's the last of the fucking old school shit, carbureted shit. Like my kid said, he goes, I told him, I was thinking about fucking selling the Harley, just seeing if I could get, 10 grand for it or something.
You can't.
And he goes, Dad, don't sell that bike. He goes, I'll get that bike whenever you die. And then he goes, I'll just keep it. And, in fucking 25 years, that thing will be worth all kinds of fucking cash. You know what I mean? Maybe. Who knows? You can't sort of...
Well, here's the deal. Guys that buy a bike every year, they wouldn't have an old one.
Oh, fuck no.
Unless it was already collectible. They wouldn't have one to collect.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Well, you never know.
They might keep one because it was a 100th anniversary model or something like that. The guys that have the money to buy bikes don't give a fuck.
They just go buy new.
And a lot of people
give me that one,
stash the motherfucker, like racers. They're finding these old fucking race bikes, where fucking people
rode them for 1,200 miles and parked it.
No, they raced it. It actually had history. And it ended up in somebody's garage, and in somebody else's garage. 3 generations died behind this fucking valuable fucking bike.
Pushing it around.
And somebody finally tore down the shed, and by God, there was a Harley in there, and fucking those guys that chase them down, Bikes and Beards, or
Oh yeah.
all kinds of different guys that chase them down.
Yeah, they look for the parts and shit.
Well, they want that bike, because they know it's valuable, especially that Wheels Through Time.
Oh yeah, some of them are worth
Those guys
sacks.
are fucking, they want them. And they have a way of finding all the history out. And they know all about, by the time they're fucking wrenching on that thing, they know everything about who rode it, when, how, whatever.
Research all that shit.
Yeah.
They put the plaques on the wall. And they got the fucking little spinny thing that they
I've
put
seen
the
them
bike
get a
on
bike
and it turns.
that somebody had pretty clean. It wasn't like perfect.
Yeah.
Sat. But they had all the fucking awards and shit that the bike
that it
had won. So they got that in their fucking
That's
museum.
cool. That jacks the price up.
And they go looking for that shit after they get a bike that's famous. They'll go to the swap meets and they'll be looking for shit that's because of that bike.
It's that fucking that year and everything.
Something that is because of that bike.
What do they call that? They call that something. It's you could say, oh yeah, that bike was ridden by Steve McQueen, but if you don't have the picture of him sitting on it, winning that race, then it's, I forget what they call that, authentication.
Yeah, it's like authenticated.
Yeah. Shit back, you see that on Pawn Stars and shit.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
I never watch those guys much. I guess they all end up in prison. And I heard the kid got killed in prison.
Trembling?
Yeah.
I don't know if you can believe all that or not.
Yeah, well, I don't know either, because it was, one of them fucking blog things. But
they were sort of wild.
Well, apparently they strong-armed some people or some fucking thing. They got themselves in real trouble.
It's fucking Las Vegas, man.
Well, they got themselves in real trouble. Can't do that shit to people.
Yeah, who knows what they were doing on the behind the scenes. Pawn shit. Man, they're probably fucking gangsters.
They were.
Sure. I bought 4 of those. I don't know why, but I did.
Well, you got fucking nigger rich.
That's what happened.
2 packs of cigarettes and 4 doobies, man. I got money in my pocket.
And believe it or not, I told myself today, I go, hey, I got $80, and I spent $25 on honey, which is the same, it's a cool deal with those jars.
Yep.
I like to get on waffles and coffee.
Oh, it's nice to have honey. Never put steel in your honey. Silverware.
Like silverware or what?
It kills the fucking good stuff in the honey.
Oh, okay.
And it'll kill the whole jar.
Oh, shit, I didn't know that.
Neither did I.
I normally just I just do the
yeah.
Yeah, I don't fucking
drink it.
Yeah. Not really. I don't really drink it, but. And then I also do like where you do white chocolate chips, peanut butter, and then drizzle a little honey on that shit on one of them big old spoons, you know, a big spoon. And that's like